Alright, so it's Thursday morning. I'm sitting here having my cabbage soup that I made yesterday. It turned out really yummy. It's about 11 a.m. I just kind of now got moving and motivated. I was just sort of laying around all morning. But I'm just scrolling Instagram, taking it easy, waking up a little bit. I had gotten up at 5:30 with Robbie, and then I went back to bed. So I'm just now kind of waking up again. So I'm having my soup. It's snowing outside, not a phenomenal weather day. So I don't know what I want to do today. Probably a whole lot of Netflix. Maybe wrap some Christmas gifts today because our Christmas shopping is done, so why put it off? Pretty much done. There might be a few things that I still pick up. That's the only problem with finishing up really early, is that you then kind of convince yourself that your kids don't have enough stuff and then you buy more. That's kind of the trap we've been falling into, but we scaled way back with Christmas this year and didn't buy nearly as much as we usually do. So if we pick up a few more things, it would be okay, but I'm going to try really hard to keep myself from doing that so that we can stay on the budget that we're on. But that was a long rambly way of saying I'm probably going to wrap some Christmas gifts today, watch some TV, not a whole lot else, which sounds like a phenomenal day for me. Alright, so I'm getting my little wrapping station set up here. I've got some boxes. The wrapping paper that I picked up at Dollar Tree, we're going to do superheroes for Robbie and Harry Potter for Austin. Even though, honestly, Austin's not like the biggest Harry Potter fan in the world, but I'm going to wrap their gifts in different paper this year. That way they don't have to read tags to figure out whose is whose. So that's what we're going with. I'm not going to show any of the gifts. I've gotten requests to do like a what my kids are getting for Christmas video, and I'm not going to do that because my kids watch my videos. So, sorry about that, but it just is what it is. I might do like a stocking stuffer video because they kind of get the same things in their stockings every year. It wouldn't be like a huge surprise ruiner or whatever, but for now I'm going to get these gifts wrapped. Okay, so I finally finished up my wrapping. It's 2:15. I learned 3 things while wrapping. 1, it takes longer than you think it will. And every year I do that. I think, oh, I'll go wrap gifts for an hour, and then 4 hours later I'm done. 2, every single gift that I bought this year was in a square box, which made it exponentially easier to wrap, or was put into a square box, like with clothing and stuff. 3, I have to go to Dollar Tree and pick up more wrapping stuff because I did run out. There was one gift I couldn't get wrapped because I need to get a couple more gift boxes. There's technically 3 gifts I didn't get to wrap. So I need to get a couple of gift boxes, and I need to get another roll of superhero wrapping paper. So definitely have to go to Dollar Tree. Yeah, Robbie's gonna be walking in the door any minute. I haven't yet edited yesterday's vlog, so I need to do that. But I have that checked off my list, with the exception of a couple things I still need to go get. And stocking stuffers, Christmas 2018 is officially done and completely planned for, and it's not even December yet, so I'd say that's pretty darn good. Hello friends, just checking in. So it's 7 o'clock on Thursday night. I haven't checked in forever. Mostly because there hasn't really been anything exciting to show you. I worked on editing my vlog from yesterday. It took me 3 hours, and I still was not happy with it when it was done, but I just basically ran out of time. I needed to get it up for you guys. I'm struggling with this new software that I've been using. I've been using OpenShot, which is a free software, and it's a great software, but I don't think that my computer is quite fast enough to handle it. So when I'm editing, sometimes it'll skip or it'll jump, and it makes it difficult to kind of get everything to transition smoothly and add music and stuff. So I feel like the last couple of vlogs that I've put up have been very like choppy, like they don't transition smoothly. But I'm doing the best that I can. Obviously, if I had more time to edit it, it could be better, but I don't want to disrupt my schedule. So 3 hours, but I got that done. I made dinner. We had leftover meatballs from yesterday when we had our meatball sandwiches, so I just threw those in with some pasta, and we had some spaghetti and meatballs. And now I am working on my December budget, so it's just been a thrilling day. But I wanted to check in and say hello. Hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. I also want to take a minute and talk to you guys about what's going to happen next week during Vlogmas. So if you guys watched, I don't even remember what video it was. I talked about the fact that I'm going in for a colonoscopy next Tuesday. So that's happening, and that's something that I don't think that I need to vlog, that experience. And the day before that is all about bowel prep, and I'm sure you guys do not want the details on that. So I don't really know what I'm going to do for those days for Vlogmas. I might do tag videos, or I might just film like super short vlogs, maybe a Q&A. So if you guys have any suggestions for me for that, I would really love to hear them. Leave them in the comments section below. I'm loving reading all your guys' comments for Vlogmas. It's been so much fun. And the comments on the video where I talked about feeling inadequate here on YouTube, the amazing amount of support and the amazing comments I got on that video were just so uplifting, made me so happy. So thank you guys so much for that. So yeah, leave comments below, let me know what you think I should do for Vlogmas for next Monday and Tuesday when I'm kind of otherwise engaged and can't really vlog. If you guys want me to do a Q&A video, then leave some questions down below, maybe some holiday themed questions that would be appropriate for Vlogmas. I'd really like some feedback. Also, guys, December is coming up real quick, so you guys will be seeing Advent activities and Advent gifts for my kiddos coming real soon. We're not doing as many like crafty things and activities this year as we've done in years past. I'm doing more, some of that, but I'm doing more like treats and gifts and stuff like that, like real little gifts. Just because my kids are getting so old and it's hard to find activities that are age appropriate for them. So, but I'm very, very excited to be sharing that stuff with you guys. So that's coming up real quick. Woo, so exciting. Alright, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap the vlog up here, even though there's been next to no footage today, because there just hasn't been anything going on. Some vlogs are obviously going to be shorter than others. It just is what it is. So, thanks so much for watching today. Let me know what you guys are thinking of Vlogmas down below. I've got a busy day ahead of me tomorrow, so hopefully more footage in tomorrow's video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!